Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete MeetMe account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open MeetMe application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential. At the very first page of MeetMe, you can see Me icon on bottom of right corner. You tap on it. Here you scroll to the very end. There you can see the option of settings. You tap on it. On the settings, you scroll to the little down. At the account section, you can see the option of delete account. You tap on it. Here, if you delete your MeetMe account, then all your MeetMe photos, posts and friendship will be deleted permanently. Are you sure want to do this? You tap on yes. Before deleting your MeetMe account, you need to provide your MeetMe email and password. So go for it. After you are done, you tap on Delete Account. As you can see, I have been directed to the very first page of MeetMe account. That means my account has been deleted. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to delete MeetMe account permanently. Thank you.